In the 21st century, the idea of surgery without anesthetic is one of our worst nightmares.
I knew that there was nothing that I was going to be able to use to kill the pain.
But it can still happen.
All I saw was that knife. I was like, gotta do it.
Since the earliest days, we have operated without anesthetic.
So I turned the finger round in the vise and attacked it from a different angle.
The ability to perform surgery is unique to our species. It has helped ensure humankind's success on our planet. Most of us take it for granted that we can get urgent medical help when we need it. But despite the advent of long-distance technology and efficient transport, there are times when we can only depend on ourselves.